If you're interested in starting your own business, you're the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 main strategies to help you start making some money ASAP. Step 1 is identify a problem. Just sell something people are passionate about, helps people's lives become better, or solves a problem. It could either be a product or a service. For products, what is best is selling something that is already trending and viral, something that is working. And for services, sell something you are good at. Don't go and sell something you don't know how to do but you're just passionate about. The point is to make money. You find something you're good at. I'm good at this. Take it. Simple. You think through the business idea you have, then you put it in an AI called Validator AI. It's basically an artificial intelligence that is specialized in thinking through business plans and coming up with a good assessment on if it is a good idea or a bad idea. Step 2 is basically creating a business plan. You have to think of your competitors, your customers, and your goals. With your goals, you think of where you want to be in the future, how much you want to make by the end of the year. Do you want to make 50,000, 100,000, 20,000? It's all up to you. Those are your goals in your business plan. You look at your competitors. Look at the people who are also in your niche selling what you're selling, fighting you for the same customers. You look at them, look at what they're doing right and what they're doing wrong. You see what they're doing right and it's working for them. You just copy it. Copy. If you see what they're doing and it's wrong and it's not working for them, it's negatively affecting the business, you run away from it. Customers. For the customers, what you should do is you should know their needs, wants, pains, and fears. Understand it. Research on it. Dedicate your mind to it. The goal for this is to make sure you have a firm understanding of who your customer is, who you are selling to, understand how they think, how they operate. Because if you try and sell something to somebody and they feel like you are just after the money, chances are they're not going to buy. They have to understand and acknowledge that you know exactly why you're selling it, because this is the problem they're facing and this is the solution you have. So it's a win-win for everybody. Step 3 is to start now. Look, there's never going to be a perfect time. There's never going to be a time where all the stars will align and there will be your calling. It will be the perfect opportunity for you to start. No, there's no perfect opportunity. There's no perfect time. Start now. Stop thinking about what other people think of you. 9 out of 10 times, they don't even care. Probably they're not even thinking about you anyways. If you're afraid to tell someone to go buy your thing, and if that's a good reason for you to be broke, you're broke! And not be able to feed yourself and feed your family in the future and stuff like that, and it's all on you. All the biggest companies are out there selling something. Elon Musk, the richest man on the planet, selling cars. Jeff Bezos selling a service where he's helping sellers provide products for buyers, and you are here shy because of what somebody will say. Start now. There's never going to be a perfect time. Now the bonus tip, which is super important, is learn to market your brand. There are 5 main ways of getting customers. 1, reach out. 2, paid ads. 3, creating content. 4, referrals. And 5, affiliate marketing. Paid ads, you're basically paying platforms for attention for your product. With reach out, you're basically reaching out to people to pay attention to your products and decide whether they want it or not. With referrals, you're basically asking people who have bought from you before to link you to someone else. With affiliate marketing, you're basically having a team which is drawing in customers. Content creations, you create content to educate, to inform them on how it's going to help solve their problem or help add on to what they're passionate about or help make their lives easier. If you want me to explain how exactly these things are used in your business, click here and I'm going to talk more about that.
Bye, have a great time.